You searched how to buy shares of Crawford Company. Crawford Company is a global claims management and insurance services firm that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CRD.A. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CRD.A to find the listing. Make sure you select the correct Crawford & Company entry from the results. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent trading activity. Check that the company name in the NASDAQ ticker match to confirm it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, and review your order settings before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this example.